Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Telegram and tap the chat that contains the audio file you want to find. Look at the top of the screen for the chat name and header. Tap the chat name header to open the info page where media, files, and links are grouped. Use the built-in search icon inside the chat to type a keyword or the sender name. This will highlight matching messages so you can jump directly to the audio message you need. Open the Media or Files tab from the chat header to see photos, videos, and audio. Switch to Files to list files by type, including OGG and MP3 voice notes. Use the search field to type the file name, a word from the message, or an approximate duration to filter results. Tap an audio item to play it inline and confirm it is the correct file. Press and hold the audio message to reveal options like Save to Device, Forward, or View File Information. Press and hold the audio message to reveal a contextual menu with actions you can take. Choose Save to save the file to your device downloads, or choose Export to send it to another app. Use Forward to copy the audio into another chat or your saved messages for quick access. If you cannot find saved files, open Telegram settings and check the download storage location and auto-download preferences to control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.